Ken Vella, Wikd Customs, Mobil, checking out this beautiful 1950 Ford Custom convertible, nicknamed Kona. Beautiful example of 1950 style. Very, very cool. If you were driving one of these, you were badass. But doing some work on the hydraulic top, getting the pump rebuilt and getting that operational, and then also doing some paint work. A little more to do here, but today we're actually working on the carburetor. It's leaking very bad, and it's time to get this thing rebuilt and running perfect. And safe-wise too, because back in the day they're running the cloth wires, so you know that doesn't mix very well. So that's what we're up to, getting it ready and dialed in for its maiden voyage with Ilion. She's going to drive it on Mother's Day for the very first time. So very exciting for her, so we're going to get it beautifully set up, all polished, detailed, and running perfect and safe. Again, beautiful example, 1950 Ford Custom convertible.